Alafala hia tu hane he te tolo da walatala ke lata ai mai mama hea honei. Kua whakailoa he matakau pulinga hua e takitaki lahi ke lata mai Ministry of Infrastructure. Kua whiwhiri ai a Andre i seo hane ke lata mai kotofa ia. Kua whakausianga a nei he tau kotofa takitaki e lahi ke lata ai mai tau hiki anga he whakatafono. Ke pata mai tuku whakalataha e lau lahi he tau whainga hua i lalo hifo. He whai matapatu whainga hua la lahi koe tau ministries. Koe tau matapatu whainga hua la lahi ia koe Ministry of Natural Resources, Ministry of Social Services, Ministry of Infrastructure. Moe taha e matapatu whainga hua, ke latai moe tau whainga hua neke kua moa e tau tupe moe whakawhano po ke tau central agencies. Ko whai mga aho ke whakailoa mo e liu kumikumi ke he taha tangata ke takita ke whahi infrastructure mo e kua manako ke tuku atu e tau whakamunuina ke a Mr. Siohane mo hana ko tofa anga fō. Hau e pungi he aho ngofua i ni afi mutalau ulu lau ta ke lata mai dau paleko langa pasikala ta Holy Rally on the Rock 2014. Si mauni e hau ia ke he aho katoa mo kisia ai e holomitaki he tau whiua nei ke he tau nei. Tokalanga fōki e tau tangata ne kua laumatai atu ke he tau whiua nei ne tolo atu tuai ki mutalau mo e whakatali ke he tau toa langa pasikala ke he hoko atu. Tu tala mo e nono fōki a lautolu ko e toko whiha la e toa he motu hata tolu ne kua paleko atu ke he tau whiua nei he tau nei. Koe mongo ne ka toa ai osi e matakau ke he malei mtolau ko kisia maari koe toko wha alo tolu mai he motu. Ne kua mau okafua ke paleko atu ke he taulanga paskala he tau nei. Toko ua e pālangi ko Paula Suckling, koe toko ua he Deputy High Commissioner he Niuean ki Niuean. Si bihe whoki ni mo John Gregory koe pālangi ne nofu i mutalau. John McGregor pālangi ne nofu i mutalau. Mai tau toa ni we ha tau tolo ko Alana tuku news bia whoki ni mo Aitan siosi kefu. Lima lai veveheanga ke langa paska he langa paskala nei, kamata he halavau i mutalau ki la kepa, si koe hui ke ua aki mai he halavau i la kepa ki tuapa, hui ke tolu aki mai makefu ki tusekolo, hala loto ki liku mo la kepa, koe hui ke whaaki mai he walavau i paluki ke he male loa he hala i ki ha kupu. Koe hui ke lima aki, koe hui whakahiko i he langa paskala mai i wha ke he hala ha kupu, ke whausia i ki tala mai tonga. Koe iene koutu he tau nei ke he whewehanga he tau taane, tau tangata taane ko Simon Yates. Koe taimi hana he lalafi osi i tau whewehanga koe onongo fulmawhai minute mo e onongo fulmatolu e se kone. Ne mua fuki he toa nei he tau kua mori, mo hana tu la he mua atu e mahomo atu, ke he tūlā he tau nei koe tō onongo fulmatolu e minute hana he tau kua mole mo i limongo fulmatolu e se kone. Taha e minute ongo fulu e se kone ne mawhisi ai ke he hana taimi he tau nei. Ko e veveheanga he tau tāne, tau tangata tāne ne momotua, alau tōlu a tau ne koutua ai a Rob Kennedy. Mo hana taimi ko e fitungu fulu e minute mo e onongo fulmau e se kone. Ko Paula Suckling ne mua atu he mawhisi e tau whiwhine. Ko e waulungu fulmataha e minute whaangu fulmau e se kone. Ko e whoki ko e hoana he hangai komisina ha Niuean ki Niuean. Ko Wendy D. Matt ne mua ai ia he tau whiwhine mutua mo e hana taimi ko e waulungu fulmalima e minute ua fulmau e se kone. Ko Alana tuku niu ko ia ni e taha toa whiwhine ha Niuean ne paleko atu ke he tau whiua nei. Tu tolu ai ia he veheanga he tau whiwhine mo e hana taimi ko e taha i tūlā mo e lima e minuse, mo e fitu ua e se kone. Ko e fuata tose ko Aitan siosi kefu, ko ia ni ne tose e tau ko e hongo flumaono. Si moua e ia pale pa ua ki ke lata mo e tau fuata tose, fuata giki, mo e hana taimi ko e taha i tūlā mo e whaango fulmalima e se kone. Manako ki tuku atu e tau nawa ki amtolu ne kautuai he langa paskala nei, si bihia ni gimtolu ne paleko atu. Manako amanaki ni ke whleweia ke he tau kahau he tau paleko langa paskala rally on the rock ua se au mai hongo fulmalima. Kua matalaiha niue ke he tau whiualanga ki mamafa, ha kua whaipene whakamailonga kua moa ke he tau whitoko Oceania moe South Pacific Senior, Junior, moe Youth Weightlifting Championship, ne whakahoko ai ki no mea New Caledonia ke whahitapu komore, mai he aho uafumalima ke au tono fumataha ia me. Koe ua vevehanga ne kua nono ki ai ke lata mo tau pine, langaki ke he Oceania, ne lauia New Zealand, mo Australia foki, mo e whahia tu Pasifika Tonga. I loa mai koe molea ua seo e tau tangata langaki mamafa kua o atu ke whitoko laulahi mai Australia, New Zealand, se pia foki ni mo Papua New Guinea. Ko lautolu ne kua o atu he matakau, Niue ko Danny ne Mani, Jack Felici, Rex Rico Melekitama, Zeke Pullman, Chanel Tawasi, ma Lia Vea mo Motoria Tano. Mo i toko e tangata lang mataya tu ke he matakau ko Alan Tano mo mihi ne Mani. Ko Danny ne Mani mo e pinne si liva ke he tau tangata tāne lalahi tae se au mo 5 kilo ki lunga. Ko Rex Rico Melekitama mo fuki e pinne si liva ke he fufuta he tau fuata tāne kiki ke he tae se au mo 5 kilo. Ko e tama fine ko Vito Lia Tawasi ne mua e pinne apa kula ke he tau whanau fine e kiki fitungu fulmalima kilo ki lunga. Ne talahauma i takitaki he mtakau ko Alan Tano kua holo mitaki e tau wheua, mo i lahi e malolo he tau whanau ke he halotolu e tau langaki. Ko i tau wheua nei foki ke maiki ke kisia, ko e hoko sia na kai e hoko atu ke he lata mo i tau wheua Youth Commonwealth Games ki Samoa, he tau kahau pia foki mo Youth Olympics ki Saina. Manaki ke liliu e mtakau ke he aho, liliu mai e mtakau he aho nei, mo e whakatumau e halotolu e tau whakako mo e tau siuse ke lata ai mo e wheua Commonwealth ki Glasgow he mahina ha iulai he tau nei. Good afternoon, and here's our news for today. Firstly, local news, and I will bring to you the news from around the region later. The Niue Public Service Commission has officially appointed Mr. Andre Siohane as the Director General for the Ministry of Infrastructure. This marks the final appointment for the Director General to lead the newly established government ministries as part of the government's transformation process, where departments have been divided into 4 ministries. The ministries are Ministry of Natural Resources, Ministry of Social Services, Ministry of Infrastructure, and the 4th Central Agencies and Commercial Agencies. We wish Mr. Siohane well on his new appointment. It was a beautiful Monday morning in Mutalo, northern side of Niue. There was a slight mist in the air that keeps the temperature cool, and that was how it was for the rest of the day. As volunteers for the Rally on the Rock gathers on the village green waiting for their heroes and bikes to arrive, there was some talk about how many locals will turn out for the Rally on the Rock this year. The total number of entries this year is 19, and 4 of them are locals. They are John McGregor from Mutalo, Alana Tukuniu, and the Deputy High Commissioner, Paula Suckling, and Ayatan Siosi Kefu, a 16-year-old from Alofi North. The race takes place in 5 stages of bush tracks from Mutalo to Lakapa, Lakapa to Tuapa, Makefu to Tusekolo, Paluki to Foa, and from Foa to Talamaitonga. The overall winner this year in the senior men's category is Simon Yates, with a combined record time of 64 minutes and 63 seconds. Simon Yates also won this event last year with a record time of 63 minutes 53 seconds, 1 minute 10 seconds faster than his time this year. He already said at the finishing line that he will be back next year, and of course he needs to come back and defend his title. Rob Kennedy took the veteran men's division with 70 minutes and 62 seconds. Paula Suckling, wife of the New Zealand Deputy High Commissioner in Niue, took the women's open category with the fastest overall time of 81 minutes 42 seconds. while Wendy DeMatt took the veteran women's title with her winning time of 85 minutes 22 seconds. Alana Tukuniu came third in the open women's category with the best time of 1 hour 5 minutes and 72 seconds. Aiton Siosikefu, the youngest rider in the group, one of our very own young person, received an acknowledgement award for the youngest rider in the competition. His overall time after 5 stages was 1 hour 45 seconds. Congratulations to the winners and everyone who took part in the Rally of the Rock 2014. Niuean's weightlifting team to the Oceania and South Pacific Senior, Junior and Youth Weightlifting Championship in Niuean, New Caledonia have managed to pick up 3 medals in the Oceania division. A total of 260 athletes were competing, with the largest team from Australia, followed by New Zealand and PNG. Team Niue had 7 lifters and 2 officials, with Zeke Pullman competing in the 85 kg junior and senior division, Rico Meleki-Tama 105 kilo junior and senior, Jack Felletti compete in the 77 kilo junior and senior, and Malia Vea in the 75 kilogram category in the juniors, and 69 plus youth category. Motoriatano 69 plus kilograms youth category, and Danny Nemani in the 105 plus kilo in the seniors. Team coach and official Alan Tano said that the competition was tough but exciting. And Danny Nemani got a silver medal in the senior men's 105 plus kilogram division. Rico Meleki-Tama also received a silver medal for his efforts in the 105 kilo in the juniors division. Vitor Liatawasi came away with a bronze medal in the 75 plus kilo junior girls division. Some of the other team members are also placed in the South Pacific Division, and their medals will be sent over a later date. The competition is one of the qualifying events for the next year's Youth Commonwealth Games in Samoa and the Youth Olympic Games to be held in China. The team are due to arrive back on the island and continue with their training in preparation for the Commonwealth Games in Scotland in July. And here's the news from around the region. Fiji Prime Minister Rear Admiral Varike Bainimarama says the employment of civil servants in past elections led to abuse of their powers. Speaking during the opening of Fiji's UN mission in Geneva, Bainimarama said they have now secured the election process is completely independent. He also told those present that the Fijian government has reached out overseas to recruit a team of international experts to avoid some of the fraud and mismanagement that marred previous elections in Fiji. Bainimarama said the stage was being set for a truly historical event in the life of the nation on the 17th of September. The Ministry of Health in Solomon Islands has declared a nationwide diarrhea outbreak which has resulted in the deaths of 16 young children in the past 2 weeks. It says medical teams are dealing with the outbreaks which has affected over 1,000 people. The ministry says the outbreaks have been reported in 6 provinces, including Guadalcanal, Western Province, Choiseul, Malaita, Central and Makira. The Health Ministry's Dr. Chris Becker says diarrhea is a leading cause of deaths in children under 5 years old. He says to keep their children safe, parents need to take their child to a health clinic as soon as they show signs of diarrhea, as it can be easily treated. Dr. Becker says rotavirus has been confirmed as the cause of outbreak in Honiara, Guadalcanal and Gizo, Western Province. Rotavirus infections are highly contagious and spread through person-to-person contact, contaminated objects or contaminated food or drink. Dr. Becker says symptoms including diarrhea and vomiting usually appear between 1 and 3 days after being exposed to the virus. Fiji Prime Minister Rear Admiral Verike Bainimarama has opened Fiji's newest diplomatic mission in Geneva in Switzerland. Designed to strengthen Fiji's presence on the European continent, the establishment of these missions will also position Fiji to advance its interest at the United Nations through its Geneva offices. Indeed, Fiji is now the only Pacific small island developing state with the direct presence in Geneva. We will not only fly our flag here in Geneva, but also that of our Pacific Island brothers and sisters, said Bainimarama. Geneva is the main European base of the United Nations, housing 32 international organizations, many of them specialized agencies of the United Nations, including the World Trade Organizations, World Health Organizations, and international labor organizations. And former High Court Judge Madame Nazat Shamim was recently commissioned as Fiji's permanent representative to head the diplomatic mission. And finally, in the build-up to the Second Pacific Islands Development Forum, various nations continue to register their attendance to the meeting. The PIDF Secretariat has received confirmations that Morocco, Venezuela and Israel will join Singapore, Kazakhstan, Kuwait and Georgia to participate at the forum. Scheduled to take place at the Sheraton Fiji Resort, Denarau Island, night from 18th to 20th of June this year, the second PIDF meet will be opened by the President of Indonesia, Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono. The theme of this year's summit will be Green Growth in the Pacific, Building a Resilient, Sustainable Future and Genuine Partnerships. The annual summit of PIDF provides a unique, distinctive and inclusive opportunity for the leaders and representatives of the public sector, private sector and civil society of the Pacific Islands developing countries and territories to dialogue and take ownership of their problems, decisions and actions to address their special development need in their pursuit for inclusive and sustainable development. And this year's summit builds on the outcome and the mandate of the inaugural summit last year to enable green growth in the Pacific to consolidate genuine partnerships between governments, private sector and civil society in the pursuit of exclusive and sustainable development. And those are our news for today.